In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and restore the ribbon in Excel fast. Open Microsoft Excel from your Start menu or taskbar, then open the workbook you want to use. Once the sheet is on screen, look across the top of the Excel window. The ribbon is the wide area that shows tabs like File, Home, and Insert, along with the commands underneath them. The fastest way to hide it is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F1 on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the ribbon collapses. You'll still see the tab names across the top, like File, Home, and Insert, but the full command area disappears. That gives the worksheet more space, so several extra rows of your table come into view. To bring the ribbon back, press Ctrl plus F1 again. The full ribbon returns, and all of the commands are visible again in their usual place. There's also a second way to do the same thing using the tabs themselves. Move to the top of the ribbon and double-click the Home tab. Any ribbon tab works here, but Home is fine for this demonstration. After the double-click, the ribbon collapses down to just the row of tab names. To restore it, double-click any tab again, such as Home. The ribbon expands back to full size right away, with the command groups visible again. The third method uses the built-in collapse control. Look to the bottom right corner of the ribbon just above the formula bar. There you'll see a small upward-pointing arrow. Click that arrow, then click Full Screen Mode. The ribbon collapses from view. To expand it again, go to the top right area and click the three-dot icon. That restores the ribbon so the full set of tabs and commands is visible again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. So in Excel, you have three separate one-action ways to hide and restore the ribbon. You can press Ctrl plus F1, double-click a ribbon tab, or use the collapse arrow and then the three-dot icon to bring it back. In each case, the result is the same. The ribbon either collapses to just the tab names, giving you more spreadsheet space, or it expands back to full size without taking you away from the worksheet you're working in.